morning. It's a question of protecting a student's rights, whether that student is a potential victim or a potential perpetrator. Difficult question that's playing out at one Albuquerque high school.
A student at Sandia High filed a complaint with Albuquerque police claiming she was attacked by another student. Police are investigating. No charges are filed in the case yet. But the girl's parents went to court and got a restraining order against that student. News 13's Catherine Mazzone joins us now with how that order is sparking a big debate.
Good morning, Adam. Crystal. The restraining order bans the student from coming within 100 yards of the girl. Both are still attending Sandia High School. The student is breaking the order, and APS is in a tricky situation not enforcing it. We're withholding the identities of both students because one is a victim and the other has yet to be charged.
This Albuquerque dad worries about sending his daughter to school.
You should have a reasonable expectation that your son or your daughter is going to be protected.
He claims Albuquerque public schools and APS police are failing to enforce a civil temporary restraining order. The order is between his daughter and a classmate. They both attend Sandia High School.
The judge agreed with it. There was no exceptions to the court order.
That order mandates the classmate stay 100 yards from this girl's home, work, and school. But this dad says the classmate is violating it every day he goes to school.
I don't understand how Albuquerque public schools can decide when they're going to obey the law and when they're not.
That parent has to understand that the other student has a constitutional right to attend the school, and that can't be taken away from him.
Former APS school board member and attorney Marty Esquivel calls the situation a, quote, legal head-on collision, one of the most unusual he's ever seen. On one hand, a judge's order in a civil case. On the other, the constitutional right of a student, when no criminal charges have been filed. Esquivel says school officials have little recourse when a suspected offense takes place off school property or outside school hours.
Once the school is on notice of allegations of misconduct by one student against the next that actually occurred during school hours, then it's incumbent upon them to take immediate action in investigating the matter and then meting out punishment.
But this parent won't accept that answer.
The poor thing is a mess, and nobody wants to do anything about it. It has just destroyed her life.
He recently took the next step, filing a Title IX complaint with APS. That's a federal law that protects students from harassment and threats on campus. The dad says seeing this boy at school is impeding his daughter's right to an education.
She's the one who now feels like she has to run and hide.
Carrie Simon is a Title IX attorney. She says all students are entitled to an education, free from a hostile environment, as long as that student doesn't pose a threat to others.
The school has to follow its own procedures and has to work to protect the students in any way that they can.
Something this parent doesn't believe APS is doing for his student.
Obey the law and protect my daughter.
Day in court, attorneys for the two students are set to face a judge to find out whether the restraining order carries any weight on school campus.